Alright, we come to the third question for fractions, which is actually a mixture of fractions and ratio. Alright, let's read the question. Alright, first of all, you have a diagram here. There's a square, this is a square, and this is the rectangle, and they overlap, and this is the part where they overlap. Square P is here, and rectangle Q overlap each other. The ratio of square P's area, this is square P area, to its shaded area is 7:4. So that means if I were to draw square P, this is square P, and I draw the shaded area, according to what's stated here, the shaded area is 4. Shaded area is 4. So this is 4. The whole thing is 7. The whole thing is 7. So the whole thing is 7. So this part down here, the white part down here, the unshaded part down here, has to be 3. 7 minus 4 equals to 3. Okay, I hope you get that part, alright? So I'm going to label it. I'm going to label on the diagram here. You'll find that this part is 4, this part is 3, 4 units and 3 units. And they say the area of square P is 2/3 to the area of the rectangle. So if this is 3 units, this is 2 units. So I can let me see. I can write the ratio then. Q is to P. The ratio is 3 is to 2. See this part on here? If you're unsure how do we get 3 is to 2, 2 is here, 3 is here. Alright? Now, so let's see now. We have here the total of the P now in this illustration here. It is 7. Now, as mentioned earlier, you need to, I think I should be over the side. As mentioned earlier, you need this to be the same. You need this to be the same. This one over here. So you have 2 and 7. You need this to be the same. So what do? You multiply this by 7 by 2. So you get, both will have 14. Alright? So I will use the other side. We'll continue the okay, let's revise again some of the key points. Alright? First of all, we agree that the whole thing is 7, right? And this is 4, and this is 3. 4 units, 3 units, right? And so P, as I wrote earlier, is 7. Can you see P is 7? Alright. Now, we want this to be the same, because you cannot have P being 2 units and 7 units. You have to make it all the same. So we times this by 7, and we times this by 2. So you get 14 for P. Now P is standardized. It's 14, it's 14. This means this has to times, if you times the right by 7, you have to times the left by 7. You got to be fair. So this is 21. Can you see, if you were to divide this by 7, divide by 7, you will get 3 is to 2. It's the same thing. It's the same. It's an equivalent ratio. So this means that I'm now changing this total now. Earlier on, we make it into we said it's 7 units, but we have multiplied this by 2, so now it is 14 units. We must also multiply this by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. This is the new ratio because we want to standardize everything over here. Alright? So, for Q, the entire figure is 21. If this is 8, this must be 21 minus 8, which is 13. Alright, 13 plus 8 is 21. Now the question says the total unshaded area of the figure is 57 square cm. The total unshaded area. So let us look. This is the overlap part. So the unshaded area is 13 plus 6, 19 units. So 19 units is 57 square cm. So 1 unit, you divide it 57 divided by 19, which you will get 3. Alright, so 1 unit is 3. The question is asking you what is the area of the whole figure. Now this is overlap, so we count it only once. Alright, so let us count the total number of units in the figure. We can have a look at over here. Alright, we can count it here. Okay, take a photograph. Okay, so the question is asking you to find the area of the whole figure. How many units is it? Let's revise. Alright, we agree that this is 8. Earlier on it was 3, then we times 2, it became 6. This total part is 21, and this is 13. So total number of units for the whole figure is 13 plus 8 plus 6. 13 plus 8 is 21, plus 6 is 27 units. Alright, so we're gonna go back here and we're gonna find this is now 1 unit is 3, B1 27 units. Again, we are adding 13 plus 8 is 21 plus 6. So 27 units would be 3 times 27, which you will get 81 square cm. And that is your solution. Alright?